Hey guys, today we're learning how to make flying tea bags in this book that we're going to be using for most of our videos called The Kitchen Sink Science. And it has another book called The Backyard Physics. It's another book we're going to be using for the YouTube channel. So let's get into making flying tea bags that are tea bags that fly. So the things you'll need is lighter. Yeah, a lighter. Scissors, cup or a bowl or anything. Your trusty book or this video. A fire extinguisher that is so heavy for some reason. Your tea and some tin foil. Now let's start making it. So we're gonna be using mint, and you can use any kind you want. So yeah, any kind you have. So you grab your scissors and you want to cut it out there. Oh wait, a little higher. Oh, I already cut it. So you just want to cut it like that. Ooh, that's little. So you cut it and you pour it into your bowl. Open it up. That. Make it open. I'm gonna try to get it to stand up. Oh, it actually stands up. And I already actually went ahead and made two, so I can get like a whole row of them. And now, oh. Now it's time to light it. Oh, the heat. Whoa! Whoa! Make sure to have your parents supervising when you do this. And yeah. Well, that's going to be it for this video. See you guys in the next one.
Hey Colin, have you seen my tea?